Now, here's how the NRHA Judging Committee scores the maneuver.
So how'd you do? Were you as good a judge as you thought you were? I'm Jody Brainerd with the NRHA Judges Committee. Let's take another look.
This horse is correct coming around the end of the pen. Not challenging the rider at all, waiting on him. Acceleration is good. Horse is a little stiff, bangs that ground pretty hard when he goes to the stop. A little wide in the rollback. I'm going to call that maneuver score 0.
To learn more about NRHA judging standards, go to InsideReining.com. Thanks for playing